Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all students? Today this is the 10th lecture of grade 9th. The chapter name is chemical reactivity and the topic name is commercial value of metals. First of all, what are metals? As you know that metals may be hard or soft. The metals present in the group 1 and the group 2 are soft, very reactive, that is alkaline earth metals and alkali metals. They are very reactive, having low ionization energies. You have already studied the topic about alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. These metals are very soft. It means they can easily be cut with the knife. When they can easily be cut with the knife or they can easily react, for example sodium, as you know that sodium metal can easily react with the water. So these metals are very reactive. They have low ionization energy. Sodium have one outermost electrons, so this outer shell electron can easily be removed and react. So when it has low ionization energy, it means that metals are highly electropositive by the removal of one electron, and they are known as soft metals. While those metals like copper, silver, iron, etc., that are less reactive, having high ionization energies, means that they require high energy to remove electron from the outermost shell, so they become less electropositive, less reactive, and are known as hard metals. The melting points, boiling points, and densities show much higher values. It means that they require high melting point, high boiling point to become react, and they are hard metals. Our main topic of today is the commercial values of silver and platinum. The silver. What is silver? Silver is a soft white metal that usually occurs in nature in one of the four forms. As a native element, it means that silver usually occurs in your daily life. You have seen it already in your cooking material, in the laboratories, in the jewelries, in the cars, as a primary constituent in silver mineral, as a natural alloy with other metals. It means that silver reacts with any other metal to form alloy, as a minor constituent in the ores of other metals. Basic information about the silver. Its name is silver, symbol is Ag, atomic number is 47. What does atomic number shows? It shows the number of protons or the number of electrons. It means that the number of protons or number of electrons in silver is 47. And the remaining are the number of neutrons, which are 61. So the atomic mass is 107. Melting point is 961.93 degrees centigrade. Boiling point is 2212.0 degrees centigrade. Classification, it acts as transition metal. It means that transition metal is a hard metal. Crystal structure, it shows cubic structure. Density at 293 Kelvin is 10.5 gram per centimeter cube, and the color is silver. Silver is found rare in nature. It is an expensive metal. Silver is known as a precious metal because it is rare and has a high economic value. It is valuable because it has a number of physical properties that make it the best possible metal for many different uses. After diamond, silver is very valuable metal. Pure silver is very soft, white metal with a shiny surface. It is the most ductile and most malleable metal. It means that it can easily be cut with the knife. It conducts heat and electricity better than any other element. When it will react easily, it means that it can conduct heat and electricity. It also reflects light very well. In some cases, silver metal is found hard in nature, but in most cases, silver is a soft metal. It is ductile and most malleable metal. It means that in the pure form of silver, it will be soft, while in the artificial form of silver, for example in jewelry, it can be hard, for example in coins, jewelry and tableware. Silver was one of the earliest metals used to make coins. So silver is also used in coins, jewelry, etc. Silver is a good conductor of electricity. It is used in many electrical applications such as switches, contacts and fuses. Silver chloride combined with the silver bromide is used in photographic plates. Silver is drawn into sheets and wires. As I told you that pure silver is soft. When it will be soft, it can easily be drawn into the sheets and wires. And when the soft metal can easily be react, it will react, and they have higher electrical and thermal conductance, and reflectivity means they have shiny surface than any other metal. You have seen silver in your daily lives, that silver is such a shiny surface, a valuable metal after diamond, and it is a precious metal. It is found rare in nature. About 44% of the silver world's usage use in photographic films and paper. Now the second metal, which is platinum. History of platinum. Mined in Russia and South Africa, it was first used in decorative applications in ancient Egypt more than 3000 years ago. Preferred for its remarkable strength and longevity, the metal was used to adorn Egyptian coffins. They are used in many chemical reactions in chemistry as a catalyst. It is the most expensive metal, so in alternative of the platinum we use nickel. The general information about the platinum atomic symbol is Pt. Appearance is a silvery white. Element category is the transition metal. Atomic weight is 195. Electronic configuration is 6s1, 5d9 and 4f14. Group and block, it belongs to group 10, and D block. Period is period 6. Physical properties, they exist in solid phase. Melting point is 2041.4 Kelvin. Boiling point is 4098 Kelvin. Density is 21.45 gram per centimeter. The name platinum comes from the Spanish word platina, meaning little silver. It means that its appearance is silvery white. Platinum is the 72nd most common element in the Earth's crust. That is why platinum is a very expensive. Pure platinum is a lustrous, ductile, and malleable silver white metal. What does it mean? That it can also exist as this soft form. Platinum can react. However, it is very expensive, but it is a soft metal and it is lustrous, ductile and malleable. It means it can be drawn into sheets and wires and it can be easily cut. It has silvery white appearance. Platinum is the more ductile than gold, silver or copper, thus being the most ductile of pure metals, but it is less malleable than gold. In case of ductility, platinum is more ductile than gold, silver and copper, but in case of malleability, it is less malleable than gold. The metal has excellent resistance to corrosion, is stable at high temperatures and has stable electrical properties. So in higher chemical reactions, in the higher class of chemical reactions in which we need higher temperature and stable electrical properties, we use platinum. The platinum can also sometimes refer as the noble metals because it is unreactive, or it does not even react with oxygen in air, and it is resistant to react with acids. Platinum is used in the catalytic converters to remove pollutants from car engine exhaust gases. But as an expensive metal, so other metals such as palladium etc. are used in its place. I have already told you that platinum is an expensive metal. It is used in catalytic converters. So in alternative of platinum, we use palladium or nickel metals in the chemical reactions. The ease with which platinum can be shaped, its strength, color, hardness and inertness makes it suitable for jewelry and gem setting. Platinum is that metal that can easily be involved in the formation of jewelry and gem settings. So platinum is now regarded as the more prestigious than gold. Its rarity, hypoallergenic and tarnish resistant properties, and its ability to repeatedly be heated and cooled without permanent hardening makes platinum the ideal choice for creating the finest of jewelry. Means we can repeatedly heat and cool the platinum metal, but it does not cause permanent hardness. It means that it can again be used. So this is the most ideal choice for creating the finest of jewelry. So the platinum is the most ideal choice for jewelry. Platinum metal can also be used in the fuel cells. The most common fuel cell is the proton exchange membrane fuel cell, which contains platinum catalysts. Besides being used to power automobiles, PEM, fuel cells can also be used in power generations for buildings instead of batteries or generators in portable equipment. As a catalyst. As you know that in many chemical reactions platinum is used as a catalyst. So the most common use of platinum is as a catalyst in chemical reactions, often as platinum black. Platinum is also used in catalytic reforming of straight run naphthas into higher octane gasoline that becomes rich in aromatic compounds. Platinum also strongly catalyzes the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, means H2O2 into water, that is H2O, and oxygen. Platinum is an expensive metal. It can also be used in the petroleum industry. So the platinum's excellent catalytic properties also extend to another important industry, that is the petroleum industry. Petroleum can also be used in the electrical industry, in lasers, and in making photographic materials. So, in general, platinum is a ductile, malleable metal. In case of ductility, it is more ductile than the silver, gold, copper, etc. And in case of malleability, it is less malleable than the gold. It is the most expensive and the most valuable metal. It can be used in place of the gold in jewelries. So now in jewelries, people prefer to make jewelry of platinum, not of gold. In its uses, platinum has a lot of uses. It is used as a catalytic converter in the conversion of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. It is used in the lasers, in the electrical industries, in making photographic materials, in the jewelries, as a fuel cell. It was all general about the metals, that is silver and platinum metal. Thank you so much.